There is a city cradled between gentle hills and endless vineyards, where mornings rise slowly and the air carries a quiet confidence. A city that doesn't shout to be seen, it simply is, steady and proud, like the people who call it home. Here, life moves with a rhythm of its own. Streets curve through history, where old stones whisper stories of resilience, and modern lines reflect a future shaped by innovation and craft. Light dances on rooftops, on fountains, on the faces of those who walk with purpose. Every corner feels familiar, even to those who arrive for the first time. In this city, beauty is not a spectacle, it's a companion. It's found in the green slopes that embrace the skyline, in the quiet courtyards where time seems to pause, in the grand avenues where culture breathes through every step. It's in the laughter rising from markets, the warmth of a shared table, the calm of a sunset settling over the valley. The people here carry a saying, Schaff, Husselbauer. Work hard, build your home, shape your life with your own hands. It's more than a phrase, it's a way of being. A reminder that pride is earned, not claimed. That community is built, not declared. That progress grows from dedication, not noise. And yet, another truth lives quietly in the hearts of the locals. No complaints is praise enough. A humble humor, a grounded wisdom, a gentle nod to the city's character, strong, modest, and deeply rooted. This is a place where tradition and modernity walk side by side, where festivals light up the nights, where music fills the air, where craftsmanship meets creativity, and where every season paints the city in a new color. A place that welcomes dreamers, builders, thinkers, and wanderers. It simply grows, day by day, like vines on the hillside. To walk through the city is to feel its pulse, steady, warm, unmistakably alive. To live here is to understand that pride doesn't need to be loud. This is Stuttgart, not just a city, but a feeling. A home shaped by its people, its stories, and its unshakable spirit. If you're planning to live in Stuttgart, whether for study or work, or if you're simply interested in learning more about this region of southern Germany, don't forget to visit our blog, travelstuttgart.com, for much more information on the different destinations and magical places you can discover. I also invite you to subscribe to this channel, where you'll find all kinds of travel tips, destinations, and information about the culture of this fantastic city. Thank you so much for visiting, and we'll see you very soon with a new video.